Hi. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the basic capabilities of Qualifico. Qualifico is the pipeline generator for revenue teams that use HubSpot or Dynamics 365. Our conversational marketing solution enables you to grow your pipeline by tapping into your website and to instantly start sales conversations, book more meetings, improve your lead conversions, and, ultimately, turbocharge your growth. Once Qualifico is embedded in your website and interaction experiences are created, you can start to monitor your online activity and selectively engage with online prospects. In this scenario, an anonymous visitor is interacting with the landing page. On the right side of the screen, I can see the Qualifico widget embedded on the landing page, and the visitor is interacting with the page. As a Qualifico user, I can get a notification about this visit and start an interaction with the visitor. On the left, I can see the Qualifico Live Channels dashboard and the anonymous record that was created for the visitor. The live channels segment the online visitors into categories of interest. The channels are used to monitor the visitor's activity on specific areas of the website. To communicate with the online visitor, I can drill down and view some basic information about the visitor and then click to engage in order to proactively start a conversation, even if they did not interact with the chatbot. You can see that while I'm typing, the messages pop up on the visitor screen. The purpose of this interaction is to make the visitor open the chat box and start communicating with the back-end user. While communicating, the visitor shares pieces of information that could help identify him, like his email address, and I can easily save these pieces of information into the CRM. Qualifico will identify that I already have a contact named James Richards in the CRM system and that he has open opportunities associated with him. Now we will see a different scenario. In cases where there are no users that are monitoring or able to engage, Qualifico supports a bot interaction which can take the visitor through complex scenarios and options in order to identify them and create an opportunity for further communication. Please note how I can see the live visitor on the dashboard, while I'm going to go through the bot scenario. By clicking on the second option demonstrating what will happen when the bot interaction is happening. So I can still collect the visitor information which will be synced automatically into the CRM system. Qualifico also enables you to create multiple experiences for the same page or different pages on your website. And this is by identifying the context of the visit. Based on a URL parameter that is part of the visit or some properties that are associated with the visitor that is currently in the page. Setting up these scenarios is easy and doesn't require any technical background. The interaction options in Qualifico is where you set up these experiences, and you can create multiple of these experiences which will execute according to conditions that are defined inside each experience record. So an experience is a bot flow that is created using the bot flow canvas. And you can create any condition to execute this experience based on the page URL or UTM parameter or any property that is related to the visit or the visitor, even properties coming from the CRM system. Once the conditions are defined, you can create the flow. This is the flow that was executed on the landing page which I just demonstrated. Creating a flow is easy as drag and drop, and we have messages or questions or other actions which can happen during the flow. This is an example of how you set up a message. A message is something that looks like this. It can embed an image or video, or just be textual with emojis or any other graphics that you want to add. Questions can be a set with call to actions which are created just by placing text or a dedicated field question which supports a set of predefined properties out of the box that are automatically mapped to CRM fields. So once these values are submitted, they will be pushed to the CRM record. The flow also supports notifications which will be sent to the back-end users either through email or Microsoft Teams or Slack to notify them about the visitor, interaction with the bot, or just about the visit. Embedding Qualifico code in your website is extremely easy just by placing this line of script on your website. And you can control the label and the theme and the logo which appears on the bot just like that. The key things to remember about Qualifico, as opposed to other website embedded extensions or bots, are that Qualifico was built to generate revenue. While other tools are built to provide support or automate tasks, Qualifico deeply integrates with the CRM system and enables proactive, real-time engagement with online prospects. Thank you for your attention. For any inquiries, please contact us at qualifico.com.